Welcome back to AlphaCars Service Center. Today we're going to cover an interesting segment on the BMW E36, and for that matter, it could apply to other BMW models of the same vintage. And we're going to talk about the sound deadening material, which is located here in the transmission tunnel. Obviously, with years, it gets deteriorated and it literally just disintegrates and falls apart. This one is not in all that bad shape, but you can see it's definitely coming loose in many areas, and it looks like it's been secured in the past. You can see some kind of poked through over there. So the problem is that the BMW does not sell this part anymore. So you cannot order it through BMW. So what we've done, we made templates of the, and we cut them from this material, which works amazing. And we're going to do it on this job right now. And you can see it right here. So it definitely does an awesome job. I would say probably as good, if not better, than the original. And once installed, you don't have to worry about it anymore. You can reinstall the transmission. And we're doing, as you can see on this car, we are doing new clutch and many other things. But yeah, we're going to install the new inserts now on this. We'll remove the old insulation and are going to get all the surfaces cleaned and ready to receive the new adhesive insulation. We're also waiting for these bushings to come in. We're going to replace them and that ball joint. And here are the replacement parts. That's going to go in. It's a 3-piece and has adhesive on the back. So the best way to apply this pad is actually not to remove the adhesive protection film, but keep it there and start from that end and start pushing it in. And as you work your way back this way, you would pull the film to expose the adhesive. And as you do that, because otherwise, if you pull the adhesive right away, it'll get sticky and then it'll get stuck to the metal, and then you won't be able to align it. We can see the first strip that we installed, and that's how it's supposed to look. There shouldn't be any bubbles, so you pretty much push any air out, and it's going to look really nice. We finished the installation of the I guess adhesive heat barrier, sound deadening pad. There are different names you can call this, but you can see how it looks. And it's a really nice fit. Contours beautifully to the metal. And you can see at the very end here, what you do, you transition these little flaps a little over the original insulation. It doesn't have to be that way, but if you grab a couple of inches here and there, that would be helpful.